traders, Day Trader Matt here at businesswithtrading.com. And if you've been following our S&P videos recently, you know that we've been basically looking at it all the way down here to go higher. We're looking for resistance up here, and it just held it and took off. We were looking for a pullback here. We sent out an email to members, and let them know probably not going to be a pullback, and it just takes off. And it has come down a little bit more than what we were expecting, but what can we see now? Well, at the moment, we're going to look for price to come up here. Until it proves otherwise, we're going to look for it to come up here. The interesting thing is the majority of traders lose money during trends, and they make money during range-bound markets. I've always found that interesting, and we've been getting a lot of emails, where we caught off guard with the move, stuff like that. And the answer is definitely no, because we've been looking down here for it to come up here. We've had this box on the chart ever since the market was down here. Now it was, obviously over here. I'm not a person that really calls time a lot, because the market is always evolving and changing. But anyway, let's get into what we're actually looking at the moment. So this green box is basically, I don't want to see the market come below. If price should come below, then I would be a little suspect of us going up here right at this moment. If it were to break this box, which is 2261 to 22, we're going to call it 2257. If it were to break this, then I would be looking for a move into that 2236 into 2206 area. Somewhere in there for initial support. And then after supporting there, then I would look for a move up here. If price were to just continue up and not break below this green box, that's what this red box is for. That's our initial resistance, which is 2300 to 2310. Before I did this video, what I had on the chart, the very first level was 2297. So that is an area, but it's not a significant area, so that's why I took it off the chart. And that's why we're looking at 2300 to 2310. Somewhere in there would be initial resistance, but I talk about the 2297 level because it is a level, and it's possible that price could come up and tap it and then start to roll down a little bit. And if it were to do that, wherever it hits, 2297, 2310, it's possible that it even goes past it a little bit. So I wouldn't be looking to short it just, blindly at the level. It's not something I do in an uptrend. I would look for it to hold above 2280 to 2285. I would look for that to hold and then push up a little more. That's what I would be looking at. But 2270 would kind of be like, if it broke below that, I would be quite disenchanted with everything. And that's assuming price does move up here. Then I would be watching this. If not, it should be an interesting next few weeks. We talked about this many months ago, that the first quarter or two of 2017 was going to be very interesting, and it should be a lot of fun. And now we're here, and we're getting that interesting fun already. So we'll see what actually does develop the rest of this week, and then going into next week, if it actually follows through with this, or if it follows through with the downside. Whichever way, it should be a lot of fun to watch and witness, and we'll see what happens. So if you have any comments below, love to hear what you have to say. You can also email me directly. Some people prefer that method. Support@businesswithtrading.com. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day and a great trading week. Thank you.